Making your home safe for little explorers, childproofing basics. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for families, especially those with young children: childproofing the home. It's all about making your home a safe space for kids to explore, play, and grow. Let's break down what it means to childproof a house and how you can do it effectively. Stay tuned to ensure your home is a safe haven for your little ones. Childproofing, or baby-proofing, is the process of making an environment or object safer for children. The main goal is to protect children from dangers such as sharp edges, small objects they might swallow, toxic substances, and other potential hazards found in a typical home. It involves assessing your living space through the eyes of a child, identifying risks, and then taking steps to minimize those risks. In this section, we'll cover the most common hazards that parents and guardians need to be aware of. These include electrical outlets. Small fingers can find their way into sockets, posing a risk of electric shock. Sharp corners. Furniture with sharp edges can cause injuries to a curious toddler. Small objects, toys, buttons, or any small items can be choking hazards. Stairs. Unprotected stairs are a major risk for falls. Cabinets and drawers. These often contain dangerous items like cleaning supplies or sharp objects. Understanding these hazards is the first step in creating a safer environment for your children. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to childproof each area of your home effectively. 1. Secure furniture and TVs to prevent them from tipping over. 2. Install safety gates at the top and bottom of stairs. 3. Use outlet covers to block access to electrical sockets. 4. Add corner guards to furniture with sharp edges. 5. Lock cabinets and drawers containing hazardous substances or sharp objects. 6. Keep small objects out of reach to prevent choking hazards. These steps, among others, can significantly reduce the risks posed by common household hazards. Childproofing your home is an ongoing process that evolves as your child grows and explores new areas of your home. It's about creating a balance between safety and allowing your child to explore their surroundings. We hope this video helps you make your home a safer place for your little ones. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in protecting your children from common household dangers. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.